Welcome back to Manpreet Maths classes. Today we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 11.3. So let's read our question. Our question says find the perimeter of adjoining figure which is a semicircle including its diameter. It means you need to calculate the perimeter of this area plus diameter. So how we'll find? Let's write what is given to us. Its diameter is given to us. So first we'll calculate radius. So I have written the given information. Diameter of the circle is given. Next we need to calculate the radius. Radius is half of diameter. So radius is equals to diameter upon 2. And next step I have written the values. Diameter is given 10. So 10 upon 2. So 10 divided by 2 gives you 5 centimeters. So radius of this given semicircle is 5 centimeter. We need to calculate its circumference. So we'll calculate the circumference of semicircle. I have written circumference of semicircle. Its formula is pi r. I have written the value. So value of pi is 22 upon 7 into 5 is our radius. So first we'll multiply it. 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carry. Again 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11. So 110 by 7. Now when you will divide 110 with 7, you will get 15.71 centimeter, which is circumference of this given figure. But a question is asking you to find perimeter including its diameter, which means now you have to add diameter to the circumference. So perimeter of given figure is equals to circumference plus diameter. So I have written circumference of semicircle plus diameter of semicircle. Circumference we have calculated just now, 15.71. Diameter is given to us 10. So we'll add it. 1, 7.5 plus 0, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. So 25.71 centimeter is the perimeter of this given figure. Now let's move on to our next question. So our next question is find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 centimeter if the rate of polishing is 15 per meter square. Need to calculate the area, means you need to find out this whole area of the circle because they are saying tabletop is being polished. So first of all we'll write what is given to us. In our question diameter is given to us. So I have written diameter of circular tabletop 1.6 meter. Next we need to calculate the radius because for area we need pi r square. So we calculated radius. Radius is diameter upon 2. So 1.6 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 gives you 8. Here is decimal after one digit. So after one digit we put the decimal. So 0.8 meter is a radius. Now next we need to calculate the area. So we'll calculate area. Written formula of area of circle pi r square. Next value of pi is 3.14. So I have written it into 0.8 square. This is a square. 0.8 square means that you need to multiply 0.8 into 0.8. Now 0.8 into 0.8 means square of 8. 8 8 is 64. Now here we are having decimal. One decimal is here and one decimal is here, and in both the given values decimal is after one digit. So 1 plus 1 2 means we have to put decimal after 2 digit. So 1 digit 2 digits. So 0.64 is the product of 0.8 into 0.8. Now we need to multiply 0.64 with 3.14. Let's multiply it to get a final answer. So 3.14 multiplied by 0.64. 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, 4 3s are 12. Cross sign. Now 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8, 6 3s are 18. 6 5 plus 4 9, 8 plus 2 10, 0 1 carry, 8 9 10, 0 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2. So 20096, but this is not your final answer as we need to put decimal. So how many digits are there after decimal? 1 2 3, 4. So you will put decimal after 4 digits from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2.0096 meters square is the area of the circular tabletop. Now we will find the cost. It is given that cost of polishing 1 meter square is 15 rupees. So we have written it. Next we need to find out the cost of the area calculated. So cost of polishing the given area, which we have calculated 15 into the area. So let's calculate it. 2.0096 multiplied by 15. 5 6 are 30, 0 3 carry, 5 9 are 45 plus 3 8, 4, 5 0 are 0, 4, 5 0 are 0, 5 2 are 10. If you know the table of 15, you can do it directly. 1 6 are 6, 1 9 are 9, 1 0 are 0, 1 0 are 0, 1 2 are 2. Now add them. 0, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 9, 10, 14, 1 carry, 1 0 3. So 301440, but this is not your answer. Count the digits that are before decimal. 1 2 3 4. So we'll put decimal after 4 digits from right hand side. 1 2 3 4. So 30.1440 rupees is the cost of polishing the given circular tabletop. Now let's move on to our next question. This question is question number 9. Here they are saying Sajli took a wire of length 44 centimeter. Length of the given wire is 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. She made a circle from that wire. Now they are saying find the radius of the circle, also find its area. So first we will solve this part of the question, then we will move on to the next part. Now if wire is bent in the form of a circle, it means the given length is the circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. I have written. Next the value of circumference is 44. So I have written 44 is equals to 2 pi r. Now we will solve it. So 44 is equals to 2 into 22 is also 44 upon 7 into r. Now we will transfer these values on the left hand side. So 7 will go in multiplication as it is in division. So 44 into 7. This 44 is in multiplication, so it will go in division upon 44 is equals to r. This 44 and this 44 they will cancel out, so r is equals to 7. The value of radius is 7. So first step we have calculated. Next they are saying to find its area. Now we will calculate the area. So area of circle is pi r square. Now we will put the values. In place of pi we will write 22 upon 7. Radius we have calculated 7 into 7. This 7 will cancel out by this 7. Now we are having 22 into 7. Multiply it. 7 2s are 14. 4 1 carry. 7 2s are 14 plus 1. 15 154 centimeter square is the area of the given circle. Now we move on to the next part. Now let's read. The question is saying if the same wire is bent into the shape of the square, what will be the length of the each side and which figure encloses the more area? Now they are saying the same wire is bent into the shape of a square. Means now 44 will be the perimeter of the given square. Now we will calculate its length. Then we will calculate its area. Then we will move on to the final part of the question. Now I have written length of wire is equals to perimeter of a square. In next step I have written formula. What is formula of perimeter of square? 4 into side. Now in next step this 4 is in multiplication, so it will go in division. So I have written 44 upon 4. Cancel this. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So now we got the side of the square. Now this step also we have completed. They were asking the length of each side. Now in next part we need to calculate its area. So we will calculate the area of the square. So I have written here formula of area of a square. Side we have calculated 11. So 11 square. Now what is the square of 11? That is 121. If you don't know, I'll put the link in the description box. Go through the video and learn the squares. Now our final part is asking which figure encloses more area, circle or square. Now you have to tell which figure encloses more areas. Now you can see by comparison area of circle is greater than area of a square. So clearly area of circle encloses more area. So now let's move on to our next question. Now question number 7, they are saying from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a circle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. Find the area of remaining sheet. Basically you need to calculate the area of the sheet and then the area of the shapes and subtract them. So let's find it. First of all, as I always say, whatever is given, note it down. So we have written here radius of circular card sheet, next radius of circles and then length and breadth of the given rectangle. So first of all, we'll calculate the area of the card sheet. So I have written the formula pi r square. Next I have written the values pi into r square. So 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. So you can cancel this. 7 ones are 7, 2s are 14. Now 22 into 2, 44 into 14. 14 4s are 56. 5 carry. Again 14 4s are 56 plus 5. Added 61. So 616 centimeter square is the area of circular sheet. Now we'll calculate the area of two small circles. Area of two small circles. Now their radius are same, so we'll calculate the area of one circle and multiply it with 2. So 2 into pi r square. Next I have written the values. Our radius is given to us 3.5. So I have written 3.5 into 3.5. Now 3.5 into 3.5 means the square of 35, that is 1225. Next then we'll put the decimal after counting the number of digits. Next we'll solve it. Now 22 upon 7 into 12.25. What we did, we divided 12.25 with 7. So when you will divide it and multiply it with 22, you will get 38.5. Now next step is to multiply 38.5 with 2. You will multiply it, so you will get 77 centimeter square. Now next step is to calculate the area of rectangle. What is given to us? Length and breadth. Length is 3, breadth is 1. So 3 ones are 3 centimeter square is the area of rectangle. Now we are having area of all these shapes. Now we will calculate the area of remaining sheet. Area of remaining sheet. Area of remaining sheet will be area of circle minus area of all other given shapes inside the circle. So I have written area of remaining sheet is equals to area of circular card minus area of small circle plus area of rectangle. So let's write its values. Area of card sheet is 616 minus small circles is 77 and area of rectangular sheet is 3. So first we'll add them. 77 plus 3 80. Now you will subtract 80 from 616. 6 minus 0 6. 1 carry. 11 minus 8 3. Here it is 5. So 536 centimeter square is the area of remaining sheet. Now in next video we'll solve further questions of this exercise. If you find my videos helpful, please like, share and subscribe.